We're here at JCPenney, here at Golden Mills Shopping Center, here in Niles, Illinois. And look what we got to ride, a Dewhurst elevator. Otis. Oh gosh, this thing is hot. That's a hot elevator. Oh wow, that thing is slow. £4,000 capacity. The phone is like up there. There's the Dewhurst buttons. Ugh. This thing is like a piece of crap. Going up?
Yeah.
There.
Thank you.
Good day. This thing is weird, to be honest. Usually I see a Dover in this place, like Dover or Montgomery, but oh, this is weird. Maybe this is like a former store and JCPenney took over it. Let's see if it has speed door. No, it just plops. That thing was weird, to be honest. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.